Okay.
Do it.
Oh, I've just realized, do we want to put the little Discord overlay?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah. Alright, well, if anyone's watching this back as a VOD, I don't think anyone's watching right now, we're going to be editing the scene live, so that's always fun.
You have the link to the Discord overlay?
I might need to generate it real quick. I'm just gonna streamkit.discord.com.
So yeah, today we're gonna be trying out Advent of Code in Zoglin. So we're not working on the Zoglin compiler, we're gonna use Zoglin to try and do stuff. So yeah, that should be fun. I've thought about doing Advent of Code in MC Function before, but I never actually did it, so let's see how it goes, I guess.
Yeah. Who knows how it's gonna go?
What we might want to do is we might want to write some code that's just going to help us, like, take in the inputs, parse them, and we'll just use that the same every day, because I feel like there's going to be some common stuff like that.
I think that's probably a good idea. Alright, add a browser source. Set the URL there. Okay. There we go. And then I suppose I should probably move us... Where do we reckon? Maybe here? Is that good? Yeah. It's just as long as it's above the timeline bar.
Yeah, I think that looks good to me.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
And
well, let's do this.
Alrighties. I suppose, should we go on the website and check it out?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Here we go. So, this is the About page. So, we can see here that it's made by Eric Wastel. I don't know how to say that. So there's all frequently asked questions. But I don't think
if you just go to
calendar?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Day one.
Historian Hysteria. The chief historian is always present for the big Christmas sleigh launch, but nobody has seen him in months. Last anyone heard, he was visiting locations that are historically significant to the North Pole. A group of senior historians has asked you to accompany them as they check the places they think he was most likely to visit. As each location is checked, they will mark it on their list with a star. They figure the chief historian must be in one of the first 50 places they'll look. So in order to save Christmas, you need to help them get 50 stars on their list before Santa takes off on December 25th. Collect stars by solving puzzles. 2 puzzles will be made available on each day in the Advent calendar. The second puzzle is unlocked when you complete the first. Each puzzle grants 1 star. Good luck. You haven't even left yet, and the group of elvish senior historians has already hit a problem. Their list of locations to check is currently empty. Eventually, someone decides that the best place to check first would be the chief historian's office. Upon pouring into the office, everyone confirms that the chief historian is indeed nowhere to be found. Instead, the elves discover an assortment of notes and lists of historically significant locations. This seems to be the planning of the chief historian was doing before he left. Perhaps these notes can be used to determine which locations to search. Okay. Throughout the chief's office, the historically significant locations are listed not by name, but by a unique number called the location ID. To make sure they don't miss anything, the historians split into two groups, each searching the office and trying to create their own complete list of location IDs. There's just one problem. By holding the two lists up side by side, your puzzle input, it quickly becomes clear that the lists aren't very similar. Maybe you can help the historians reconcile their lists. For example, 342133, 435393. Maybe the lists are only off by a small amount. To find out, pair up the numbers and measure how far apart they are. Okay, pair up the smallest number in the left list with the smallest number in the right list, and then the second smallest left number with the second smallest right number, and so on. Within each pair, figure out how far apart the two numbers are. You will need to add up all of those distances. For example, if you pair up a 3 from the left list with a 7 from the right list, the distance apart is 4. If you pair up a 9 with a 3, the distance apart is 6. So it's absolute of subtracting them, right?
Oh wow, this would be so easy in a language like Rust. Like, I can just imagine it's basically like... It's like 3 lines of code to do the whole thing once you've parsed the input.
Yeah.
You sort the lists, you iterate them by pairs, you subtract one from the other, and then sum them all together, and that's it.
Sorting
in
the
Zoglin,
list. Well, luckily I
I'm
am
not sure.
familiar with a quick sort algorithm. We should have written this in Golem script. We have that's implemented.
Honestly, yeah, this would probably... I mean, it would be so slow because the puzzle inputs are massive.
Yeah.
But it would be quite easy, I feel like.
Yeah.
We should implement a sort into the Zoglin standard library at some point.
Yeah, I think it's actually on the list.
Probably it is.
Where is it? Docs. Dot. Yeah, this is a very top secret little. Never mind. Doesn't work anymore. I'll look into that later. God damn it. In the example list above, the pairs and the distances would be follows. The smallest number in the left list is 1, and the smallest number in the right list is 3. The distance between them is 2. Okay. So find the total distance between the left list and the right list. Add up the distances between all of the pairs you found. In the example above, this is 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 2. So basically, then we sum all the differences. What is the total distance between your lists? So...
Yeah, that shouldn't be too difficult, I think.
So we're essentially doing a sort, and then a
sort,
difference,
compare,
and then an add. Yeah, no, this would be super easy in any normal programming language. Yeah. But this is going to be fun. Okay. Sorting.
So for I suggest instead of sorting, like in an I suggest we just iterate and find the lowest number and then remove it each time.
Yeah, that's probably... Well, okay, the thing is... We can always find the lowest number with scoreboards, right?
Yeah.
Could we use that to advantage? Can we then somehow... I don't know. I think the iteration thing is the way.
I think what we do is we iterate over the lists. I don't know how big these lists are going to be. They're usually like several thousand. Are they 1,000? Maybe a few hundred lines long.
Okay.
So I don't know how efficient it's going to be, but we might want to just up the command limit and then just like run it and see how long it takes.
Yeah.
Basically we've got to iterate over the lists.
Yep.
and we've got to store the smallest number and the smallest index as well.
Right.
And
And
then once we finish the list and we know the smallest number and smallest index, we compare the two smallest numbers,
Yep.
subtract one from another, add that to the total, and then we know the index, so we just remove the value at that index in the list.
Right. And then we repeat.
And then we repeat.
I feel like that's going to be super slow.
It's going to be like...
Because we're first doing an iteration of... I guess what we could do is we can just delay it by a tick each time, and then hopefully it will not slow down too much.
So it's going to be like O of n squared, right? No,
Yeah.
O of n... Yeah.
I mean, it's probably going to be quicker to implement than implementing a quicksort algorithm.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it out. Okay,
Let's try it. If it's taking forever, then we can look into quicksort.
So that's one list that, like, I'm just that's one list there and that's one list there, right? So let's just write it for the example first. Okay, so
I usually write a solution to test on the example, and then if it works on the example, because it gives you the correct output for the example, and then it will give you your full puzzle input, which has like many more numbers than you got to try and figure out.
Yeah. Okay, so it's 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 3. 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 3. And list 2. Now, once we actually go to loading in the proper ones, we'll probably write a script to generate these arrays. 4, 3, 5, 3, 9, 3. 4, 3, 5, 3, 9, 3. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of 3s. 4, 3, 5, 3, 9, 3, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 3. Okay, those look correct.
So then we're basically going to do... Maybe we should have a function to, like, get the lowest item from a list, and then we just pass it in the list.
Yep. And should it return the index of that item? Probably, right? Because then we can use that index to get the actual number itself back as well.
Yeah.
Or we can return an array with 2 values in it. Okay, so let's just for now test this. Get lowest from list, and we'll just pass it list 1.
I mean, we can do this later, but I'm just thinking if these are going to be massive lists, we might not want to copy the whole list to a separate storage each time.
Right.
We might want to do some like compile time function stuff, but anyway, for now it's fine.
Let's just write it in the most naive way right now, and then we can optimize it.
See if it works.
Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we've got to, I guess we go while list. So once the list doesn't have any more items, it will be 0, which means that this while loop will end. So, and I guess we just store what?
So yeah, start or do lowest equals can be list at 0, I guess. Oh no, we're gonna have to copy the list anyway because we've got to iterate through it. So yeah.
Yeah.
So we can do lowest equals list at 0, yeah. And then the lowest index equals 0 as well.
Yep.
And then the current index we also need to know.
Yeah.
Is also 0.
Okay.
Okay.
I guess we first do an if.
If the list at the current index. Wait, let's take the list at the current index and store it in a value because
Can we?
we're gonna need to use it several times. Like do like current value, like current value equals list at current index.
Current value equals.
So it's got to be the what in the while loop, obviously. Probably make it scoreboard variable.
Yeah. How does it currently compile that?
It uses a generated macro function.
Right, okay.
So yeah, we generally would want to avoid using macros every single time we want to do that. So yeah.
Well, that's just making me think maybe we should just store current into like.
Oh yeah, sorry,
Is it
no,
always
it's not
gonna be
list
list
at
at
current
zero?
index, just list at 0. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
It
what
is, sorry.
I was getting a little.
Because we're yeah. No,
okay.
we're not doing a regular.
Yeah.
I'm getting all confused. We're not. It doesn't look like empty function we're writing. We haven't written any empty function yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so current value. So if the current value is less than the lowest,
yeah,
right?
Current value. So yeah, if current value is less than lowest.
Yep. Then lowest equals current value, and lowest index equals current index, right?
Current value. And then
Having an LSP for this will be so nice.
Yeah.
Eventually.
It would be really nice. And then lowest
index
equals current index.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, and then we just want to current index plus equals 1. And we got to remove list at 0.
Yeah. Now this is because we don't actually have
data remove storage, right?
Oh yeah. Data remove storage. We don't actually have syntax to do this right now, so we have to.
Now we can use the nice ampersand fn thing, so we don't have to type get lowest from list.
Does that work?
Yep.
Data remove storage
lists at 0.
At 0. Yeah. Look at that.
Okay, and then I guess at the end just return.
Yeah, and then we just return lowest index, right?
Yep. Okay.
Yes. I'm just gonna. God, that's a horrible function name.
I just call it get lowest, honestly.
Yeah, you're right.
See, and here's the nice thing. Now that we're using ampersand fn, we don't need to update where we're referencing the storage.
Yeah.
Because that will automatically update for us.
So nice.
So yay, that's fun.
Let's have a look. Yep. Okay. That all seems to be good.
So yeah, shall we run it in game?
Yeah.
So yeah, like.
Should we do a tell raw here as well, just to print it out?
Yeah.
Storage. Are we able to do? Am I able to do function get lost?
Yep.
And then nbt
Return.
Yeah. Let me just. Yes, that's so nice. Okay.
Yeah, I love our little inline expression syntax.
Yeah, it's so good.
Okay.
Alright. If we reload 3. Is that correct?
3.
It should be 1. That's not correct.
No. The index is 3.
Oh no, the index. Yeah, no. Yeah. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes, no, that's right.
Okay.
We got the index. Let's
cool.
go. Okay, yeah, I completely forgot how how it worked. Just checking, do you have the chat open just to make sure that...
Yeah, no, nobody's watching at the moment.
Okay, cool. Just making sure that we're not missing anything. Okay. That's good. I guess we can try it as well with list 2.
Yep, so that should be 1.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Okay, nice. So, now we just gotta repeatedly do that, get the index, and then...
Yeah, okay, so... What is this sort list?
Are we gonna sort the list, or... we don't even need to sort them, I don't think.
What? Yeah, so...
we don't need to sort the list, we can just iterate through. We can just go like, while we have items in the list, just take the lowest value, compare them, like, take the difference, add that to the sum, remove the 2 lowest ones, and then continue. You don't need to sort them at all.
Yeah, and actually, because the lists are the same size, right? Are they always the same size? Yeah, since they're the same size, we only need to iterate. We only need to do while one of them.
Yep.
And then it should work. Okay. So I guess we just do $list1 equals get lowest of list 1. And
or we'll call that maybe index 1, because it's the index.
Yeah, no, you're right. IDX1, IDX2 equals get lowest list 2. Okay. So then now we're getting the difference between them, right?
Yeah.
So diff equals oh no, this is where we want like an abs function, isn't it? It's an absolute, right? Is that right? Or
yes,
is it just...
it should be the absolute.
So 3 minus 4 is a difference of...
Well, it's not going to be that, it's going to be the low, but yeah.
Yeah, okay, so we need
to...
Yeah,
it's an absolute, yeah.
Okay, let's make it...
No, abs takes 1 value.
Yeah, no, oh, right, yeah. I'm getting it mixed up.
And it should take it by a scoreboard, probably.
Yeah. So, n.
Yep, so if n is less than 0...
n's less than 0...
$n.
Yeah, hang on, I'll fix it in a sec. Return... $n... times
minus 1.
1.
We even have a negative operator, don't we?
Oh yeah.
It's kind of cursed with the...
Does that work? These are all things I haven't tested.
Any errors in the terminal?
There is, yeah.
Oh, okay.
17.
Maybe we haven't set up parsing for it. Oh, right. Comment that out.
Yeah. Okay, no, that's...
Abs.
Okay, so if n...
Yeah, fn0.
Why does it... Okay, yeah, there's some optimization issues. It didn't need to run a whole function, I don't think.
Yeah, it probably doesn't.
Whatever. That's fine. It will do for now. So, yes.
If you make it a direct return, it might work. Actually, no, it probably won't. Never mind, it won't. It won't.
It did reduce the amount of lines. Yeah, good enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Whatever. Diff.
Get lowers can probably also be direct return, but anyway, yeah. You don't need to use percent when calling it. That's part of the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Although I think you can, right?
No, I don't think so.
Really?
That'll treat it like a macro.
Oh, okay. Yeah, abs of idx1 minus idx2.
Yep.
Okay.
And then we'll create a sum.
Equals 0
Yep,
there.
0. Yep, and then sum plus equals diff.
Could we not just sum plus equals this?
Sure.
And then we don't need a temp variable? Because I don't think we're using diff anywhere, are we? Okay. And then we just need to remove at index idx1 and idx2, right?
Yeah.
Hang on.
Here's where it's going to get slightly annoying, because this requires a macro.
Yeah. Okay, we'll make
So we're going to have to... Yeah.
What is... Yeah, remove... index... list... index... That's... percentage...
Technically we want list to be a macro as well, don't we? Right? Well, otherwise we're going to have to copy the whole list. Remove the value and then copy it back. Right?
But how do you remove it from a macro?
Well, you pass in the path to it.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, no, yeah, I get it.
Otherwise we copy it, remove it, then copy it.
Yeah, okay.
Which is slightly inefficient. Especially for large lists.
Data modifies.
I don't know how expensive copying yeah, I don't know how expensive copying massive lists in MC function is. Like 1,000 element long lists, I'm not sure.
Remove at index.
Data remove storage.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't think you need the $. Just try data remove storage.
Oh yeah, no, you're right. Because the macro
I think
should
it will
automatically
automatically.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
See, we're smart.
Yay!
Okay, so yeah.
So I love
Then
just being able to
call-
do this. It's so good.
Yeah, then call remove at index.
Remove at index, and we can list 1.
Well, no, that's not gonna. That's gonna pass the list.
Yeah.
We gotta give it a string, basically. We're gonna have to give it a little string.
Okay.
So it's gonna be AOC D1 :load.
Well, it's just
Just one.
function, right?
You can't do inline expressions
I
outside
can't
of
do it in
commands at the moment.
strings. Yeah, no, we haven't implemented that yet. Okay.
Yeah, it's on our roadmap, but
And list
This one.
1. And we'll do the same here. I mean, it probably could have been a compile time,
yes.
right? Oh no, but it does need to do a macro for the index. But it still could have been a compile
That's
time to
the
generate the...
Thing. I'm not sure that's possible at the moment.
Yeah.
I think we'd need to implement function templating to do that.
Yeah.
Because that's like one with a compile time argument, one with a runtime argument. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, I think.
And then should we tell Roy a FN No, it's
It's not going to be.
scoreboard.
Just copy it into a storage, maybe, because scoreboards are annoying to work with.
Or we just, you know what? We'll just
Oh yeah, we'll just yeah, objectives.
it
hasn't created it yet.
Existed yet? Okay. So let's
slash reload. Okay.
Scoreboard objective set display sidebar. AOC D1 load. Sum is 0.
Okay.
Okay, that didn't work. Why?
Okay, I don't know, print something inside the loop just to make sure the loop's running.
Okay.
Let's do like say loop, yep.
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say that's a safe no. Okay, why isn't it working? While.
So while fn0.
Zoglin while fn0. Okay. Data get storage.
Wait,
Yeah.
there's a. Hang on, there's a mistake. There's an error. See, not line 19.
Data modify storage list set value.
Wait, remove that index. Hang on. Go to remove that index.
Oh, that needs to be in. Oh yeah, no. I know what this is. That we need to do that because it's meant to be putting a string, not like it's inlining the string, and it needs the quotes around it. I think. Yeah. Because it's a macro. It was just
Wait, what?
there.
That doesn't look right.
Doesn't it?
Aren't
we?
I mean, sure, that works, but that doesn't sound right. I feel like it should. That sounds like a bug.
It might be.
I think I'm pretty sure. I think we're forgetting to quote our strings.
Well,
Okay,
there's
fine.
some cases where we don't want to quote the strings. Okay, looping.
Okay.
Sum is 3. Is it?
That doesn't sound quite right.
What does it say? No, it should be 11. It should be 11.
Okay.
That is not correct either.
Wait, how many times did we say looping?
It did only say looping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
7
6.
times. 6 times. There's 6
times.
items in the list, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's also concerning that both IDX 1 and 2 are 0, yeah?
Well, by the end, the lowest element is the first one, because there's only one element left, right?
Oh, yeah, no, you're right. It's because of index. Yeah.
Okay. I wish we had a nice, like, debug print function.
Yeah. It's in
Can we just make one, like, fn print that just, like, takes in a value and prints it?
Yeah.
Just takes in a storage value, yeah, and then just does tell raw at A.
Yep. So that's storage. And that's
is ampersand fn. Yeah. And then the MBT
is value.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So just like print. So remove the say looping. Oh wait, we're subtracting the indices, not the values. We've got to get the values at the indices.
Yeah, no. yeah, no, that would help.
Okay, so do value 1 equals list, or just in the abs thing, just do list 1 at index 1 minus list 2 at index 2.
Yeah, that will help.
Okay. Let's see if it works now.
Now they're
Why
all
is the
zero.
sum 0?
They're all 0.
Okay.
Something went wrong. Okay.
Okay, print.
Yeah, what are we printing?
Print list 1 index 1 and list 2 at index 2. Hi Wolfian, we're solving advent of code in Zoglin. Oh, he's gone. Never mind. He's like, oh my god, too much code, I'm leaving.
Based, honestly. Okay. Why is it always
It's all
3? Why is it all 3?
Okay, print index 1 and index 2.
The index isn't changing, is it?
It is.
Why?
Maybe we generate the code wrong somehow.
Why? The index should always be
Okay, print the index
right?
at print the list.
Hang on.
That looks somewhat right to me. Print the indices and the list.
Okay. Print the indices.
Yeah, so print list 1 and then list 2.
Print the indice, print list 2. Okay. Okay.
So scroll up. So index 3 is 1.
That seems correct.
Index 1 is 3.
Yep.
Index 2. Yeah, why does it not remove the correct? It should have removed the 1 next time, shouldn't it?
Yeah, it removed the 3. It just removed 0 here.
Yeah, what? Okay, go back. Go back to the
code.
Oh wait, you forgot. You just did index. Index isn't a scoreboard.
Oh. Yep, there we go. That will do it. That will do it. We should probably put a warning when you try and access a undefined one. It's still 0. It's still 0.
Okay, let's see now. So
has it correctly removed? It did correctly remove 1.
It has correctly removed that. Yeah, so the indices look correct, but it's still not
summing correctly.
Okay, so print the list. Print the list at the index. List 1 at index 1 instead of... Yeah. Maybe there's a bug in the code generation. It's not out of the question. Like Zoglin is...
Okay, I need to remove the print because it's too...
Yeah, remove the indices. Okay. We should maybe add to the print thing, we can maybe add a first argument which prints a string beforehand.
Or we can just go...
Yeah. But it's on a separate line, you know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay.
Why didn't that work?
What?
What?
Oh, it's the string bug again. You gotta quote it.
Okay, yeah, that's definitely a bug.
We definitely got a bug. Definitely got a bug with that.
Yeah.
Don't know how that happened. I swear we need to add unit tests. We really need to add unit tests.
We do. Okay. List 1,
so why
3.
Are they always
list
3?
2, 3. List 1, 3. List 2, 3.
Okay.
So what is it? List 2 at index 2. The code to get it must just be wrong.
Yeah, so let's see. It'll be in while fn0. Oh, heck yeah.
Ah, beautiful. Generated code.
Okay, print. Okay, line 27. Dynamic index. Zoglin internal 0.1. set from list that.
Scoreboard players.
Dynamic index execute store. Scoreboard players get index 1.
Mm-hmm.
Function dynamic index. Okay, just check the dynamic index. Ah, why is dynamic index not there?
Zoglin. Wait. Where's the internal function?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's weird. I swear.
Did we never implement this?
We did implement it because it was working at one point. Let me.
Okay, so clearly the
So
dynamic.
maybe just write a macro function for it at the moment, and then
Yeah.
I'll debug this
Okay.
while you're doing that.
Get at index.
You want to do like return run data get storage, and then make sure it's a direct return function, so it knows how to handle that properly. Oh, it's fun coding in Zoglin, even if we occasionally find compiler bugs.
Yay, compiler bugs.
Okay, let's see. Internals. Okay, so what is it called? Dynamic index. Right, dynamic index.get or init self.add function item. The function location. That is interesting. That is very interesting. Code seems to be... Code should be working. But I'm not sure why it isn't.
Maybe I'm on an old version of Zoglin. Maybe I haven't built in a while.
No, because... I mean, it's still trying to call the dynamic index function.
Okay, that didn't work either.
Let's see.
Some absolute get it index. Oh, you know what? I bet this is the subcall inside the expression area, isn't it? Or did we resolve that?
I don't think so. We haven't resolved it yet, but let's just see. Let's see. Where is it? Wait, search for getter index in the fn0. Yeah, get that index, okay. So list set from list __ index. Google players get index 1. var1.
Get it index with get it index. Yep.
Yep.
I mean, that should be right. Did I just...
Okay,
maybe I
go to
screwed
get
up
an
get it
index.
Yeah.
Return run. Wait, what the hell?
Where's return?
Return run data gets...
Oh, I forgot to do a slash. It's running actual return.
Oh, right.
Yeah,
That makes sense.
That
Oh, and
will do
it's done return run and then data get stored. That's kind of funny.
-11.
Almost right.
So close yet so far. Do we have abs around the wrong way?
Maybe. Doesn't look like it though, does it?
Why is it so...
If n is less than 0.
Yeah,
Okay,
negate n.
check that we've got it right, because we might have screwed up the generation
Okay.
for this again. So if matches -1, run fn0.
Okay. Scale
Execute
-1.
store. sort results storage should return.
Yeah, there's some things where it's like it shouldn't have to run this return. Like, we need to clean up a bunch of this generation.
Okay. Should return. Okay. And then in the abs function itself, abs.mc function. Okay. If should return matches return. Oh, it's the internal function again.
Okay, internal functions are just not generating.
Why are the internal functions
not generating? That is really annoying.
I'm gonna try and...
Okay, how do we work around that? Okay, abs.
Use the /return command directly.
Yeah, I think we might have to do that.
Oh, that's annoying.
Okay.
Oh, actually, hang on. No. What if we do this? What if we do if $n is less than 0, n times equals -1, delete that return. Yep. And then return n. That should work.
That should work. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot better. Let's go. 11.
Okay, internal's working for me.
Okay, I think there's something wrong with my Zoglin, maybe. Let's have a look. Maybe I was like midway through something and broke it. What's my git state right now? Okay, I was a bit behind. We just build.
Yeah. Internal's working fine for me. So, sounds just like a skill issue on your end, really.
Yeah. Me problem. Okay. Rebuilt Zoglin. Oh, okay. Give me a second. Is that the only place we've used it? Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. Syntax changed.
Yeah, we'll update syntax highlighting for that as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let's
Come
just
on.
verify that everything's still working. It seems to be.
Sum 11. Okay.
We can try changing it back to return -n.
$n.
And see if that... No. Still not working.
Okay, wait, let's see. If you go into
The internal does work though.
Okay, we'll just forget it for now. We'll
think...
debug that later, maybe.
Yeah. But yeah, that fixed internal generating, which is good.
Yeah.
This is a better way of writing it anyway, so... well,
yeah.
The important thing is that our naive implementation now seems to be working.
Let's go. Okay, now we've got to pause the input for the next day, because we're not going to write out everything manually, right?
Yeah. So, give me a second. I'm just going to sign in to Advent of Code.
Oh, yeah. Yup.
I'm just going to do that off screen.
I'm going to solve this puzzle in Rust after this, and then I'm just going to see like how long it takes me versus how long has it taken so far, like an hour,
Yeah.
Currently, how long are we into the stream? Yeah, we're 1 hour into the stream,
Okay.
and we've got the test input working. So yay.
Sweet. Okay. Get our puzzle input. Okay. It looks doable. It looks doable. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so we need to... Let's see.
Okay, it's 1,000 lines.
1,000 lines.
Wait, and how many spaces is it between?
How do
Are we just going to manually turn this into a list? Not
I
actually
might.
parse it in Zoglin?
Do we want... Oh, you want to pass this in Zoglin? I think it's just going to be... Oh, okay.
Part of the fun, isn't it?
I guess, yeah.
Okay, is there like a fixed number of spaces between them? Is it like 2 spaces or something? Let's see. It's got a number and then...
There's 3 spaces.
3 spaces.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, well, we can't have new lines, so at least let's just do some formatting to replace that with, like, I don't know, just an N character, let's say, for now.
Okay.
It's like replace... Yeah, with an N.
Or we could replace it with, like, semicolon or something.
Sure, yeah, do semicolon then. Okay.
Okay.
Yep, remove the final semicolon, I think, because that's just going to confuse us.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Do we maybe want to make a separate file for the inputs?
Yeah. Okay.
Just like an FN. What I meant is like literally just a file which contained the text, because that's going to be hella ugly to look at.
Just as a... Yeah, I guess we can technically just include... Does include work anywhere?
Yes, because it's at Lex time.
Yeah, right.
Also, we're going to need to quote that because the bug.
Oh yeah, no, you're so right. Oh, that's so annoying. Yeah, we should add that to our to-dos to fix that bug.
I can fix that right now if you want, but
yeah.
Anyway, I won't do it just
Wait, no, let's
Okay.
solve this first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is kind of cursed.
Let's go. Input equals include inputs.
Inputs. Yeah.
Okay.
So that should work, right? If you go to their compiled thing now.
I love it.
Heck
I love Zoglin. That's great. It's so cursed.
Oh, nice.
Include
that's
is
literally
so
just
good.
a C include. I love that. I love it. I love it.
It's so good.
That's so fun.
Okay. I guess we need to now parse that. Oh god, okay. So we basically need to consume until we get... Okay, so we need a concat function, firstly. And it takes...
Concat?
Well, aren't we going to need to concat the string?
We're turning them to numbers, not strings, right?
Yeah, but isn't going to be the easiest way to turn into a number just macro it as into a number?
True.
Because otherwise we need to do like a whole bunch of math to convert it into a number and like a lookup table and stuff.
Enough.
I think just macroing it's going to be a lot easier.
Yeah. See, macros ruin all the fun.
They do, but do you want to be here for the next 5 hours as we implement that?
It doesn't take that long. Anyway, we had mockslib right
If
now.
we had mockslib, if only. Okay, so yeah, let's get concat, and that's left, and right. Now the annoying thing is that because you can't do it inside strings, we can't just use the regular return. We have to data modify storage function return set value.
Yeah.
And then we do
% left, % right. Oh, I do love that we can now do that without the curly braces, though.
It's so nice. It's so nice. Yeah. Okay. So we've got a concat function now. Now we need to
probably want like a parse function. Yeah.
Yeah. And it will take the input. Okay. So, we do have the substring syntax, don't we? God, we implemented so many random syntaxes that I forget exist. Okay, so I guess what's the logic here?
We're gonna need like 2 loops, basically.
Yeah. Okay. So so basically it consumes, right? Until we don't consume white spaces.
Can we just quickly, like, and maybe it's kind of cheating, but just to make it easier, can we replace 3 spaces with 1 space?
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
I think it's not really cheating, right? Like,
yeah, I'll allow it. Okay. Okay. So we've got that. So basically we consume until we get a space, and then that's our first number, and then we consume until we get a semicolon, and that's our second number, and then we repeat.
Yep.
Okay. So I guess we have to go do we just while input? Or should we loop until... Yeah, how does that work? I guess, no, because we'll just set input to a substring of itself once we're done consuming. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so while input... And then, okay, so we need to... So we always start, we're in the first number state. So I guess...
So we need another while loop, right?
Yeah, okay. And what's this?
So basically we want to do while input at ... 1, right, the first character.
Yep.
Is not equal to a space.
Yep. Is that valid code?
Should be.
Hopefully.
I think.
I have no idea how these things generate. I don't remember.
That's the wrong while, I think.
Wait. Huh? And which while is this?
Yeah, that's weird.
Okay, let's go into parse. It's while function 1.
That's while 1. And it's going to call while function 2. Yeah, that's weird.
And while function 2 doesn't have any condition in it.
Just do, like, say hi.
Oh yeah, maybe if it's maybe it's just optimizing it away because there's no. Okay, that doesn't actually work.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, do like current, like char or something. Yeah, current equals input at dot dot one. See if that works. Wait, what? Is string thing
The
broken?
substring syntax seems to not be working.
Oh, come on, really? Yeah, try that.
No. Okay, substring's broken as well.
Oh, come on. This is why we need unit tests so we don't break stuff when we're refactoring.
Yeah. Alright, whatever. We'll just go data modify storage then current set string input. How does it work? Is it that?
No, 0, 1.
I have to do that.
There's no dot dot, just space. Yeah.
Okay.
Set strings is not quite. It's set string storage ampersand fn input.
Still not working. Pass.
Wait. Yeah. So hang on. Maybe. Oh, it's the quote thing, isn't it? It's the stupid quote thing. It's done a space.
Oh.
Yeah, I think string indexing is working fine. Try putting back to string indexing again. Or maybe not in that, but try doing like current equals input at 1. Yeah, see if that works. It'll be in fn1 because it's before the while loop.
And I'll just remove that so we don't get confused. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Fine.
Let's go.
Okay. So current. Yep. Okay, and then we want to store the current number as well. We want to store num1 and num2, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So I guess we'll go num.
Yep. Oh, this is so cursed. The string's so cursed.
We need to fix that so bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, num1 equals that. Okay, so then we go num1 equals concat num1 and current. Okay. And then we need to remove this front of input, right? We need to essentially consume, so...
Yeah, so input equals... input at 1 dot dot.
Okay. Where's that? Yeah, okay, cool. And then I guess we need to do the same, like after this is run, it does it again, right? That's to consume the space. And then we run a loop for semicolon, right?
Yep. Yep, and then num2.
Do we have to... I
yeah.
do need to put it in. Yeah. And then, yeah, num2 equals concat num2 and current.
But you're going to need to update current again.
Yeah,
in the loops.
And then, yeah, Yes, okay, input's the same there. Okay, so then we just go current. Like that. Okay, it's mildly cursed. And then after that... Okay, so then we consume again. Oh, hang on. I'm just realizing missing that last semicolon just means it's going to try and consume. I think we should put it back. I think, yeah.
Before the quote.
Oh, yeah. Also, has it reverted the... I must have done that in the other file. Must have done it in the other file, I think. Yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, I think you did it in the generated MC function file, not the...
I do that all the time. It's really annoying.
Okay.
Okay, so...
Yep.
Then we need to convert both of the numbers into actual numbers. So, okay, so let's make our lists here. So list 1 equals that. List 2 equals that. We should then also have a fn2i string. And
needs to take a macro string, right?
yeah, it does. I just pressed page down.
And then you can do, if you make it a direct return, you can just do /return %string. Or
wouldn't that, if it's a direct return, wouldn't that just return the size of the string?
no, if you do it a macro. Do %return, or like or not slash, like command literal return.
Return.
Not like the Zoglin return. Do a command return.
Like that?
Not slash anymore. It's...
I think I have to do... No, I have to do data modify.
No, you don't.
Oh, no, yeah, because we are converting to an integer.
But it's not slash anymore, remember?
Yeah.
Backticks.
Backtick string.
But yeah, make sure you make it a direct return function, otherwise it won't know what it's doing.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so then...
how do we append? I guess.
Data modify.
Oh, that's annoying. Okay, so I've got a int1 equals 2i num1. Int2 equals 2i num2. Data. Now this has got to be outside of the while loop, right? No, it does have to be at the end of the while loop. Yeah, we'll just do it here. Okay. 2 data modify storage fn list 1 append from storage. Actually, can I just execute store the result into it? I don't know. Whatever. Append from storage. Fn int. And we do the same. List 2 int 2. Okay. Theoretically that would work, right? And we could just list 1 equals, so yeah, if we run parse inputs, And then if we made list one equals parse slash right?
Yeah, that looks right to me. Then you got to
Okay.
return something at the end, right?
We don't actually... Do we have to return from this?
Well, no, you could just set
Because
from the
technically we're
storage.
just... Yeah, like I'm just referencing the storage
Yeah,
here.
yeah, fine.
It's just because otherwise we have to return two massive things. It's a bit hard.
Fair enough.
Let me just check parse function. Yep, okay. And then let's check load. I'm just curious if it's... load slash parse. Yeah, that's the problem. Is it...
Yeah, do colon slash or tilde slash
Yeah.
parse or colon. Yeah, add it either way.
Tilde slash parse, which should... Yeah, that fixes
Yeah, nice. Cool.
Cool.
Yeah, you can remove some of the stuff at the beginning. Remove the two get lowest ones at the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
We don't even know if this parser works. Should we maybe stop? Like, should we maybe return first so we can see if the parser works?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Alright, I guess we will see list 1 and list 2. Okay. Get storage. Load. Let's look at list 1. It's empty. Okay. And let's just make sure that that's not just... let's go make sure past list 1 is also... Yeah, it's also empty. Okay. Which is a bit of a pity. Okay, what is going wrong here? Let's print num1. I'm just gonna... Let's just see what that is at any time. Ah. It's input, not inputs.
Okay, fair enough. Okay.
That's a lot more promising.
See what's in list 1 now.
Okay,
Heck
46669.
Oh, yo, they've added a cool printing thing where it doesn't print the whole thing.
Oh, that's very nice.
Because when I was making my virtual machine, I had an array which was 65,000 elements long, and every time I did it, it would lag my Minecraft out.
Okay,
like
let's go. 46669, 54117. Yep, that's the next. Yes, this is looking correct. Okay.
Okay, let's run the full thing then.
Well, let's just double check that list 2 is also... Ah. Why is list 2 wrong?
Ah, okay.
Glad we checked list 2. Okay, there's a logic error in list 2 that doesn't exist in list 1. Even though the code is almost identical. What? What is walking around in my game?
Wait, I have a feeling. I have a feeling I know what the issue is. You haven't updated current before you start, so current is
Oh,
starts at a space.
right.
So yeah,
Yeah,
just
you're
do it
right.
there as well. Try that.
Okay.
Okay, let's do.
Still 0.
Okay. Print num2 then. After you've. Wait, you haven't started at num2. You haven't started num2, did you? Num2 is nothing to start off with.
Oh, yeah, that's probably the issue, isn't it?
Macros don't like it when you pass them a non-existent thing.
Yeah. Okay. That's very promising. Inputs 36559, 36559, 62675, 62675. That's looking pretty promising. Okay. Okay. What do we reckon? Is this gonna work?
Try it.
Okay. Okay. I think we may have hit command limit.
Yes, probably. What's the command limit at the moment? Yeah, set it to like 1,000,000.
Is that 1,000,000? Yeah, that's 1,000,000. Okay.
We might still hit the command limit.
Alright.
But let's see. Wait, do a print done at the end so we know that.
Oh, yeah, you're right. You're right.
We'll just tell raw at a done. Well, yeah, we might have to do some scheduling if we.
Yeah. Also, I should probably remove that print command because it's kind of just spamming chat. Yeah, print num2. Okay. I didn't see the thing. I don't think it loaded. Alright.
No.
I think we may need to, schedule across ticks. Let's see.
So maybe the outer while loop.
This while
Like
loop.
right in load. No, I think parse is fine.
Yeah, parse seems to be fine.
But this one, just do one iteration. No, one iteration per tick's gonna take 1,000 ticks. That's gonna be several minutes. Maybe do like
1,000 ticks
10 or...
How long is 1,000 ticks?
It's almost... Oh no, it's 50 seconds.
Yeah, 50 seconds. It's not too bad. But it is still slow. Okay, so yeah, what are we doing? Moving this to a function?
Yeah, I think move the inner while loop to the function.
Okay. We could probably make it an in... No, we need it to be a... Okay, function, what's this? Run. No. Okay. Is that right?
So you're gonna have to modify some, in load. And also,
Yeah, that needs to be...
no, that sum needs to be in load, but when you're doing sum plus equals, you need to be tilde load / sum.
So yeah, if... schedule...
By the way, while you've been doing this, I just was trying to solve this in Rust quickly, and I did it in like 20 lines of code.
Yep. Well, look, half of this has been Zoglin bugs and half of this has been MC function. So...
Fair enough.
Okay. And I'll move the tail roar into there. Okay. Like that. Okay. So basically, if list one still exists, we just schedule and that for one tick. We could speed it up a bit by just repeating this like a few times.
Yeah.
So we could just do a...
Yeah, we just like runs equals 0 or 3, while runs.
What beautiful code.
And then runs minus equals 1, obviously.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So
you
that
got a
should...
cool run from load, obviously.
Yes.
Okay, run it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's counting, it's counting.
Don't hit integer limit, please.
Don't think it will. I did it in Rust with an i32, which
Should be scoreboard.
is the same as a scoreboard.
2375403. Is that what you got in Rust?
It's different puzzle inputs.
Oh, you did your own one.
Everyone has their own separate
Okay.
inputs, so...
2375403. Let's try it. Was yours around that size?
2375403. Yeah, it's the same order of magnitude.
Okay.
No, not that. 5403.
Oh, right, yeah. Okay. Let's
We
go!
solved having a code in Zoglin!
Yeah, baby!
We did it!
Let's go!
Nice. How many lines of code is it?
It's a mere 123 lines,
123.
ignoring the
1,
input.
2, 3.
We ignore this
Yeah, obviously the
input part.
inputs don't really count.
Yeah. It's pretty decent,
Cool.
if you ask me.
Not bad.
Not
There's a bit of unnecessary stuff in there anyway, so call it 100 lines.
Yep. There's a bunch of this stuff is going to get a lot cleaner once we've fleshed out more of the language. It's just
Yeah, we can use this as like a basis to test for bugs, to figure out stuff we want, because this is like technical data packs.
Yeah, It's
on, like,
perfect for testing Zoglin, honestly.
This is like the exact definition of technical data packs.
Yeah. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. Let's go.
Okay, I kind of gotta go, but let's see if we can do day 2 quickly. I still got like half an hour of leeway, so.
Alright.
Oh, this is fun. This is so cool.
Your analysis only confirmed what everyone feared. The 2 lists of location IDs are indeed very different.
Yeah, they're over 2 million different.
Yeah. The historians can't agree on which group made the mistakes or how to read most of the chief's handwriting. But in the commotion, you notice an interesting detail. A lot of location IDs appear in both lists. Maybe the other numbers aren't location IDs at all, but rather misinterpreted handwriting. This time, you'll need to figure out exactly how often each number from the left list appears in the right list. Oh no. Calculate a total similarity score by adding up each number in the left list after multiplying it by the number of times that number appears in the right list. Okay.
It's okay, it's only O of n squared again.
Okay.
I think.
For these example lists, here's the process for finding the similarity score. The first number in the left list is 3. It appears in the right list 3 times, so the similarity score increases by 3. So it's 3 by 3, so there's...
So 9, yeah. Okay.
Right, okay.
That sounds easy enough.
The second number in the left list is 4. It appears in the right list once, so it just remains 4, basically. Third number in the left list is 2, does not appear in the right list. Oh, you know what? We can speed this up, I believe, right? Because with a list, we can... Can't we... data get storage...
Can we... I don't think so.
If we...
Yeah, if we make them all dot values...
Yeah. Right?
That will make the commands shorter, and then it'll do all the iteration and that's cool. Yeah.
We can get the count. We can get the size of that super easy.
Yeah. Okay.
So we just need to transform the right list into a list of that instead.
Okay. Can you create a copy of the current file and save it as like part 1?
Yes.
Because afterwards, let's do some like organization and figure out how we want to organize this. But I think it would be cool to have like all of the code in a GitHub repo and like and then like have all the archives of everything.
Yeah. Alright, let me just make this into a little bit of a repo. I'm gonna rename that to day 1 to fit the... Yeah, okay. Yeah, so we can go git init, git branch. Okay. Now we can open VS Code here. Yeah, so put everything there in source. Make a new README.
Should we, because I don't have a whole lot of time, can we just solve the thing first and then...
Yeah. I'm just
and then we can do the repo afterwards.
Yeah. Okay. So let's make...
make like a... No, we haven't done day 2 yet.
Oh, yeah, day 2. Okay.
Just make like a part2.zog in the same file or something.
Yeah, okay.
And
Okay.
I would say copy over main.zog for now. You'll probably need to run the zogwatch command so it gets the correct thing.
Yeah.
So.
And should we just rename this to part 1 and then be deving in main.zog?
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
So the parsing's going to be the same, the inputs are the same.
Yeah, well, we do just need to change the parser to for num2. Where we append it, we need to first append the... Yeah, hang on.
Yeah.
Let me get Zogwatch running again. So cd day 1.
Source day 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zogwatch. Okay.
I love that we love the Zogwatch command.
It's so good.
Very nice. Okay. So, yeah, in the parsing...
Okay. So in the parsing, let's... Okay, so we append a blank object.
Yeah, and here we don't need a data modify command technically because we can just do list2 at -1 dot.
Yeah.
List2 at -1 dot value equals an int2. Yep.
Nice. Okay.
So
should we... Let's test that.
Yep.
List 2 is empty. Something went wrong.
See what list 1 is as well.
Oh, wait.
Oh.
Can only assign to variables.
Oh, we don't have assign. Okay, fair enough. We don't have assigning to dot syntax. So, okay, we do have to do that. Not data modify schedule.
Now, why did I put schedule there? Annoying thing.
List2 at -1 dot value. Set from storage, yeah. So yeah, we should add that to the to-do list.
Yeah.
I'll open an issue now.
Cool. Okay. Still empty. Why is it not working? Oh, it's because we're not resetting the list, isn't it? No, we are. We are setting them here.
Hmm.
Okay, let's check. Build data. Pause. YLFN. That should be right. The thing is, though, is it's not even getting to this tell raw. It's parses inf looping. Why? Oh, you know what it is. You know what it is. Because I changed the folder structure, the symlink broke.
Oh, right.
Yeah, let me fix that real quick.
That makes sense.
God damn it. Minecraft saves advent code. Data packs. Go there. And... okay. Okay, advent code day 1 part 2. Yes! There we go. Okay. So then, what are the requirements again? Okay.
So yeah, we basically go through the list.
We iterate the first list, and then
we can probably do this in one tick now.
Yeah. We don't have to find the min anymore, do we?
It's just O of n. You don't have to find the min, just iterate.
So we
iterate, we check the number of occurrences.
And we don't even, like, we can get rid of a bunch of these functions, really. We don't need abs anymore, I don't think.
No.
Okay. So... yeah, we can just write it here. While list 1. Okay. So... let's get current equals list 1 at 0. Okay. And then we can remove storage.
Fn list 1 at 0. Yep.
Okay. And then
we're gonna need a macro.
Yeah.
Right. Like fn count, or like count occurrences or something.
How do you spell that?
Good luck spelling that. It would be an E instead of an A, I think. Yeah, there we go. Count occurrences.
And that should take in
the list, percent list,
and the index. No, the
percent
not the
value.
index, the value. Yeah. And that should be a percent function, which we just do return run data get data get storage percent list value percent value, right? And that will turn that would return the count of those, right?
Maybe.
Well, let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, so if we run, okay, so let's reload. Function count occurrences. So what was it? The two params was list and value. So list is AOC day 1 load list 1. And the number is... actually, let's do list 2. And the number is... What's a duplicate number? Where's our inputs? 62675, so that's fine. There's only one 62675. Where are the duplicates? Any of these duplicate?
Surely. Do you like the demo inputs? The test inputs? Because that has definitely duplicates.
Yeah. 342133 435393. So just just gonna do temp dummy list. And then the number 1 should... What is it? Value, maybe. Oh, yeah, right. They require underscores. I forgot about that. And 0. Huh? You mean return 0? What? Oh, yeah, no, I did it wrong. We've got to... It's got to be...
Yeah.
It's still wrong.
Yeah, I think you might have to... Wait, go back up one. Yeah, it might have a problem with like accepting a single MBT value. Wait, go
Maybe
back
we
to
have
the
to-
implementation.
We might have to
Hang
store
on.
it in a temp first.
I think... Wait, okay, try... No, try doing return run execute if data storage instead of data get storage. I think that might work. If data storage. Yep. See if that works.
Two.
Yeah,
Yes.
there you go.
And then if we try
Okay.
it with something that only has one. Yes.
If you try it with something that doesn't exist. 100
0.
or 7, yeah. Cool.
Nice. Nice.
Okay.
Okay, that works.
So, yep. So
We
so current is list at 0, yep.
Yep.
Data remove storage. Okay, so we want to say the count is equal to count occurrences on list 2 count occurrences, and you've got to double quote it.
Yeah, sorry.
So quote and then quote.
Yep.
Quotes inside quotes. Yep. And then AOC D1 colon load list 2.
D1 load list 2.
Yep, and current. $current. Okay. Yep. And then the sum plus equals count times current. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
Is that it?
Theoretically.
Okay. We're not using these either, are we?
No, I don't think so. Getter, index, and print as well are all unnecessary.
Yeah. Okay. Some didn't change. Oh, I'm doing a return first, aren't I? So
probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did some change?
I think it did,
yeah,
right?
It did.
230-82277. Okay. Let me just move this down here so I can read it. Alright, let's see if we got this right. 230-82277. Yes! Let's go! Hell yeah. How do we... Oh, nice. We can share on Blue Sky. Look at that. We should share it on our GMDU.
Did you create a GMDU Blue Sky?
I did, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Unfortunately, hang on, let me get that link. Copy link, because it's on the...
Nice.
Do we just post that, or should we change this text a bit?
Do say it was in Zoglin, right? Gotta say it was in Zoglin.
Blue Sky's text box is very weird. Yeah. We just completed day 1 of not Zoglin of code. Advent of code.
Zoglin of code. Nice.
I'm just gonna go in the Zoglin data pack free compiler. Go hashtag Minecraft, hashtag data pack, hashtag advent code. Okay, beautiful. We just completed day 1 of advent of code in the Zoglin data. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. Let's see, we can see it on our beautiful profile here. Make sure everyone, if anyone ever watches this stream, to follow. Anyway, we did it.
Yeah, I gotta go now, so got only 16 hours and 29. Should we just continue streaming for another 16 hours and then just start it when...
Well, then the VOD doesn't save. That's the only downside.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah.
Kill issue.
Unlucky.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to format these up a little, and then I'm not using print in any of these, I don't think. We'll just remove that.
Okay, yeah, do we want to end the stream now? I gotta go. You can do the cleanup if you want, and then
Yep.
make a repo or something if you have time or whatever. But that was fun.
Yeah.
Took us a bit of time to get going. Figuring out the initial thing, but then it was kind of smooth sailing for the second half. Mostly.
Yeah,
So, yeah,
the second one was a lot easier thanks to just how MC function works.
Yeah.
Which just goes to show how much your tools can impact how you solve problems. Anyway.
Yeah.
I think we'll end stream there. So to anyone still watching, thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one. Bye.